Mumford. Well, thank you so much for having us all back again. They're going to help us out with a song. It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you eat eat, you see. I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's cold again. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me in the truth which will refresh my broken mind. She tied me to a post on my ears. I can see those bones and see my tears. Know my cold, despite my faults and despite my growing fears. I will hold on hope. So underneath surrounds your neck, and I'll find strength in pain, and I'll change my ways, know my name as it's cold again. So come out of your cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand dependence when you know their maker's hand. So make your sirens call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's